Checklists are one of the Notes app's best features. In the last lesson, we saw how to format text into a bulleted, dashed, or numbered list. This can certainly serve a purpose, but with a checklist, we're able to quickly reorder items in the list and, most importantly, check items off. To create a checklist, just click the button up in the toolbar, which will add the first item. I can then enter the text for it and hit the return key to add the second item, and so on. To end a checklist, hit the return key twice. We can then enter standard body text below. Click inside the circles to check items off. Currently in Notes Preferences, I have automatically sort checked items activated. So as items are checked, they're automatically sent to the bottom of the list. Turn this off, and items are going to stay in place after being checked. We can create list hierarchies by indenting the list with a press of the Tab key. Use Shift-Tab to move back out. To just add a line break within a checklist to create some space, press Ctrl-Return. That will skip one line, but then let me continue with the checklist below. To reorder items in a checklist, click and hold for a moment on the item's text, then drag it up or down in the list. We can also do this with the keyboard shortcuts Control-Command-Up or Down arrow. To convert a list or paragraph that's already been entered to a checklist, simply select it and click the checklist button. Each line of the selected text will become a checklist item. To quickly check off multiple or all the items in a list, select the lines that you want to check off, go to the Format menu, and mark as checked. Or use the shortcut Shift-Command-U. Checklists will, of course, sync to your other devices. So when I actually head to the grocery store, I can use my iPhone to check off items in the grocery list as I pick them up.